If you were to do a one loss review, if you were to actually take a look at, maybe the last 10 deals that you lost, I'd be curious to know how many of those deals were lost to a competitor versus how many of those deals were lost because the prospective customer decided to just maintain the status quo, that they decided to keep doing things the way they've always done things, that they've put the project on hold, or project was canceled, or it's not a good time for us. Let's revisit this next quarter or next year. That's you losing deals to status quo, losing deals to do nothing. The pain of staying the same was not big enough for them to actually decide to try something different. So I want you all to remember this, that when we're selling, we're not just selling. What you're actually selling is change. That's the number one thing that you're selling, is to get them to buy into that they need to change.